Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to see how to upload reels in Instagram. Open the Instagram and go to the profile and click the top profile name, and near that you should see that plus icon. In that plus icon, you should click the reels button. After clicking the reels button, you should make a reels on Instagram, or you should upload your reel videos or reel editing videos in other third party platform. You can upload the short reels and select the reels video and add the music, or add the music and process which song you need. You can add it and process, and that process I will see the preview. It's all okay. You want to edit something, add names, add anything you need, add, and you can process it. You can edit by you add music, give voiceover, or any effects, stickers, anything need you can do. And after that you can upload the video. You can write a caption for this video and make a profile cover picture. Caption this should make a profile cover picture, and you should want to write anything, something, put hashtag and write your hashtags and write hashtags. And at last you can share this video on Instagram. Now the reel has been posted on the Instagram. This is how to this video this know how to upload reels on Instagram. So that's our video. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you. Bye.